Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to update my today's trade. Today the date is 8th October 2024. So already I finished the trade. Today I took two trades. One trade at the call option side and that means upside bullish trade, and the another trade is the put option side, that is the bearish trade, downside trade. So I took two trades today. First trade I took at a time of 5:51 p.m. I took a bullish trade only. I bought 5 lots of 6,300 call option because I already added the 6,300 call option and the 6,400 put option in my watch list, because at the time these two strike prices are my in the money strike. So I added at the beginning. After that I see the confirmation bullish side entry. I took the 6,300 call option 5 lots. I bought at nearly 240 rupees, and then I waited for the target of this level, and this level means 6,382. This is my target for my bullish trade, first trade, upside trade. But the price went up to half of the level, but suddenly then it reversed opposite to my trade. So in the trade I booked a loss of nearly 5 points. I entered at 240 rupees 5 lots and I closed the trade at 235 rupees. So I suffered a loss of 2,390 rupees in this bullish trade, upside trade. Then again I get a entry on the downside on this candle, 6:27 p.m. candle. So at the time I bought 6,400 put option in the time of 6:33 p.m. I bought 5 lots of 6,400 put option with a price of nearly 242 rupees, and I put the target as 263, and I booked the profit at a target side at a price of 263 rupees. So in this trade I got 10,600 rupees profit. So net to net, after reducing the charges of 448 rupees, I got more than 7,000 rupees profit today. So I thought to make this trade as a live trade, but unexpectedly I can't do live trade today. So I fastly finished the trade, and then at last I am recording this trade. So for me, for my entry exit rules, today only two trades only for according to my strategy rules. So I took only two trades. So this is my today's trade update. If anybody who want to learn my crude oil trading strategies, please contact my WhatsApp number, or please check the description. I have pinned the strategy link there. So you go and check that strategy link, and then you will learn my strategy. Okay, we will see in the next video guys. Thank you.